Struggling to understand your CPAP data? The ResMed myAir app makes it so easy, and in this video, I'll teach you how to use it and how to get the most out of it. Let's go. CPAP therapy can feel like a second job. Tracking numbers, managing gear, interpreting graphs. But what if your app could just do the thinking for you? The myAir app by ResMed is like having a user-friendly dashboard for your sleep. And in this video, I'll show you how to use it stress-free. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through the following. How the app's interface makes sleep data easy to read. How to register, set up, and sync your machine in under 2 minutes. What every screen and score actually means. And how to personalize your notifications, track progress, and troubleshoot missing data. To start, download the myAir by ResMed on your phone if you haven't already done so. It's available for Android and Apple. Once you're there, create an account. Registration takes 60 seconds. Email, password, select your machine, air sensor air curve, enter the device serial and device number, and you're in. The app immediately syncs with your CPAP via Bluetooth or built-in cellular, and you land on your dashboard, the control center for your sleep. Keep in mind, for AirSense 11 models, users get a personal therapy assistant in the app, which can help for setup and mask fit. But also remember, you have personal CPAP experts available to help you right here at Sleeplay. You chat, email, or call our support team and we can help you out no matter what device you have. Going back to your dashboard. Right from the home screen, you'll see a big sleep score out of 100. Here's what's inside that score. Usage hours. This is the biggest chunk of your score. You get points based on how long you wore your CPAP the night before. 4+ hours equals full credit. Under 4 hours, you'll still get partial points, but your total score will dip. The more consistently you use your machine, the more effective the therapy. This part helps build long-term habits. Mask seal. This tracks how well your mask stayed sealed through the night. Too much air leakage, you lose points here. Some leak, you'll get a warning and lose a few points. Major leak equals 0 points for this section. If you're leaking air, try readjusting your straps, swapping cushion sizes, or using a different mask altogether. If in doubt, take our mask finder quiz. I'll leave a link in the description below. Breathing events per hour. This refers to how many breathing interruptions you had per hour. Fewer events equals better sleep, which equals more points. If your machine detects lots of events, you'll lose points and get suggestions how to improve. You don't need to memorize what AHI is. The app simplifies it for you. Lower number equals better score. Mask on, off count. Did you take your mask off multiple times last night? 0 to 1 removals equals full points. 2+ removals equals partial or no points. Constantly removing the mask might mean discomfort, dryness, or wrong fit. All things that the myAir app can help you fix. Here's a sleep score cheat sheet. 90 to 100 equals excellent. Means you're crushing it. 70 to 89, solid effort, just a few tweaks needed. Below 70, don't panic. It's just a sign we've got room to improve. And now you know where. And the coolest part, myAir doesn't just score you. It gives you actionable tips in each category. Like, try adjusting your mask for a better sleep tonight. Great job using your machine 6 hours. Keep going. Tap any section and you'll get a plain English explanation plus a tip to improve it. It's like a mini coach built in. Tap around and you'll notice My Progress, which shows weekly and monthly trends in super clean charts. Learn gives you helpful articles and video guides right inside the app. Settings lets you customize notifications with just a few taps. Setting your preferences is key to really making this app work for you. Want to wake up with your sleep score? Get a nudge when your mask isn't sealing well? Go to Settings, Notifications, toggle on what matters to you. The app's smart, it won't spam you, and you can change it anytime. Now here's how to understand your data at a glance. Instead of confusing you with medical lingo, the app gives you quick, color-coded insights. Green means you're doing great. Yellow, small improvements needed. Red, let's troubleshoot. Missing data? Don't panic. Just make sure of the following. Bluetooth or cellular is on. Your machine was used that night. Your phone didn't block the sync. Usually it resolves in a few hours, but you can always resync manually in the settings. Remember, you're not just collecting numbers, you're seeing progress. The app gives you the following. Badges for hitting milestones. A streak counter to keep momentum, and personalized encouragement based on your usage. It's small stuff that can actually help you stay consistent. If you got CPAP gear from Sleeplay, you're already ahead. Your AirSense 11, AirCurve, or Resmed mask is 100% myAir compatible. And Sleeplay support can walk you through the setup if you ever get stuck. If you still have questions, please comment below so our experts can help you to understand your sleep data and ultimately use the resource to improve your therapy and sleep better. If you found this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.